Hey guys, it's Anna and Kayla from Stay at Home Daughters West Coast.
And today we are showing you a start of our new series about natural living.
Woohoo!
So we're gonna go over a few of the things that we're gonna be telling you about in each video. So,
first video will be on how we eat healthy, the different ways we keep our bodies consuming the best things possible.
next is cleaning, microfiber, the things we use, the products that we use that are natural and don't have a lot of chemicals in them.
We'll even share our secret recipes that we make ourselves. The next, we'll be going over medicine. We are all for Eastern and Western medicine, so we'll be showing you all the tips that we use during allergy season and basically everything in life.
Then we'll be going over beauty, skincare, lotion, serum, again, microfiber for your face, just keeping up on that.
And last, because we love our little furry friends, our dogs, we will be doing a special video just for them on all the ways that we keep them healthy, from not having to brush their teeth with this teeth gel, I know, bad pet owners, and like different sprays we use and the food that we feed them and everything that we love about our family.
So stay tuned, we're gonna try to be getting out a new video on each topic every week. So, you know, like, subscribe, you know the drill.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.